good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelia Subinda with another video. So we are still continuing on differentiation. This is differential calculus, the second differential coefficient, which is the 2y dx2. Alright. So we have this interesting question. This is the one of the last videos on the second differential coefficient. I found a very interesting video which actually combines calculus with vectors. So this is going to be my next video. It's going to be on that. And then coming up, I'm going to fully solve the 2025 paper 1 and paper 2 internal grade 12 additional mathematics papers. Alright, so let's get on the answering of this video. For the function y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x, find dy dx and 2y dx2. Hence, find the value of dy dx divided by the square root of 1 plus dy dx when x is equal to 2. So, there are two things we have to do. We find dy dx and then we find the 2y dx2. After we find these two, we are going to substitute them in this expression here. And then to simplify, we'll simply say, substitute these two, alright, into whatever we'll find for our dy dx and there our d2y dx2, and then we solve accordingly. Okay. So our equation is y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x. To find our dy dx, we'll say dy dx is equal to 6x squared minus 4. So the answer we have found there is our dy dx. If you do not find dy dx, you can check the prior videos, alright, in the calculus playlist. Okay, so to find our d2y dx2, it will be equal to, this is 12x. So we have 6x squared minus 4, then we have our 12x. So this is our d2y dx2, then we have our dy dx. We can just draw that line there. We'll say our dy dx is equal to 6x squared minus 4, and then our d2y dx2 is equal to 12x. Okay? So after writing that particular, those particulars, which is the dy dx and the 2y dx2, we now find the value of dy dx. You divide by the square root of 1 plus the 2y dx2. To solve this, we'll say is equal to, our dy dx is 6x squared minus 4. You divide by the square root of 1 plus our d2y dx2 is 12x. And then we said, they told us that when x is equal to a 2. So this down here will not be needed. We just need to substitute when x is equal to a 2. This will be equal to 6 multiplied by 2 squared minus 4. You divide by the square root of 1 plus 12, okay, multiplied by 2. Okay, so this would be equal to 6 multiplied by 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4. You divide by the square root of 1 plus a 24. To continue, we will clean up and we will say is equal to 6 okay, let's just write it. 6 multiplied by 4 would be a 24 minus 4. You divide by the square root of 25. So this stage that we have reached here, it will bring many queries. So someone might be thinking, here there is square root of 25. This is what we call the principal square root here, because there is no equation For example, if we had x squared is equal to 25, here we apply the square root to both sides, and then we introduce the plus or minus. Here on the side we are taking the square root of the number, but in this case, because we're not solving the equation, we only want the positive root. We don't want negative root. So we'll not say or divide by -5. We'll just divide by a +5. You only do that if it was an equation like that, a quadratic equation. Okay, so this would be equal to 24 minus 4 is a 20. Principal square root of 25 is a 5. Your final answer is 4, and that's your final value. Simple as that. The question was looking cumbersome, okay? But if you know what you're doing, the question will turn out quite easy. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cornelia Subinda with another video, and bye-bye.